Hey, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm Zina and I make lifestyle videos. Well, I'm attempting to, but if you like lifestyle content, then keep on watching and be sure to check out some of my other videos as well. So today I'm just showing you what I ate. Some days I end up eating super healthy and some days I end up eating complete garbage. And today was a good mix of both. So for breakfast, I just made some eggs and toast. I only showed you the one because I really thought it would be enough, but then I ended up making another one afterwards because I was pretty hungry. Here I'm just toasting up a piece of bread. This is my favorite bread. It's called Dave's Killer Bread, and this is the thinly sliced one, so each slice only has like 70 calories, and it tastes amazing. So for lunch or like a snack, I just had a peach and a mango. I didn't have too heavy of a lunch because I woke up late and also had my breakfast pretty late. This is a super small lunch or snack or whatever you want to call it. I like to just keep a balance, so I knew I had plans to eat outside later that day and I knew I'd be getting drinks, so I tried to eat healthier in the first half of my day. It's super easy to overeat, unfortunately, but by keeping that balance, I make sure I don't overeat but still eat to my calorie goal. Here, I'm just having a little bit of tea, okay, with some good old honey. It was good and cozy. I didn't film too much for dinner, but we just ended up having some drinks and some random foods like mini tacos. So that's it for this super short video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, and also like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.